Hey, hello everybody. Welcome to the morning volatility report. It is I, Andrew Giovinazzi, Chief Operating Officer, OptionPit.com, welcoming you to said vol report. There is Mark, the founder, in his office, only a couple of blocks on Board of Trade. Pretty nice office, actually. See him on all these places a couple times a week. For us, if you look at members page, like the gold class, gold membership, what does it get you? Weekly education, a course. Also, probably, I'm going to say 200, maybe 300 videos on trading options, understanding intrinsic value plays in VIX, how to trade earnings gamma prior, how to trade time spreads, how to buy volatility, okay? Trading around events, how to understand the VIX curve. Endless ways to trade options, understand vol reversion, how to add a little wind at the back on any trade that you might put on. Okay. Like I said, hundreds of videos in gold alone. It's probably the best deal we've got going. So you go sign up for our gold and learn a lot. Everything we have, money back guarantee. If you don't like it, refund your money. Can't get a better deal than that. Okay, let's go on to the markets. Yesterday, what do we have? So today, I think the vol futures are bouncing a little bit, pretty tepid. Considering what we've had for a rally, I think like the surprise slow rally, I think they took the weekend out yesterday pretty much, because it's like a half a day out today, tomorrow, then Friday. So it's a very strange vol environment, just because there's so much decay coming out. But here we're sitting at 29.83, 17 handles away. Will it surprise me if we trade 3,000 today or we trade 3,000 Friday? No. For whatever reason, that is, everybody's decided to own everything. They think the Chinese thing will get straightened out. And again, it's harder for VIX to drop once they've already decayed it so heavily because of the holiday. What will be instructive is to see, how they remarket on Monday. Should be up like 1375 or something like that. But really, if any vol can hold. I think the big catalyst yesterday was Lagarde going to the ECB, which means I think those kind of easy money policies are going to be here. At least that's what the market thinks for the foreseeable future. As far as vol trades go, I don't see much in the vol trade world now. I think upside options are super cheap. All the volatility, let's say in SPX, we'll look in chat today for a couple of plays to 3,000. Right. And you're seeing like something we haven't seen probably in 3 or 4 months, single digit vol. You have single digit volatility all the way out past the next Fed meeting. So I don't see that vol really moving very much. It can go farther down, but we do have kind of the next Fed thing. So that could stay up. But I mean, ultimately you're seeing just, vol is in the basement. So I would say some kind of option relatively cheap, but you're kind of looking for next week. Buying anything this week is tough. Even though I think it is relatively easy for us to get to 3,000 just on some sort of, illiquid euphoria. So also, it looks like Tesla is back from the dead. Sales are going up and all that. So you might be able to see more, and we'll look for a little structure in there if you can find something that looks interesting. But again, I think that's about it. We have kind of a sleepy holiday session, and on we go, and we'll see what if we can get to 3,000. But that certainly looks like the next target. It's only 18 handles away. All right, everybody, have a good day, and have a good 4th of July, and we'll see you later.